my channel. My name is Arlyne Sanjines. Today's video is so good. I know I've been away for a little while, but this video is worth coming back for because I am finally giving Meadow, I don't want to say it too loud because she's right there and I'm gonna kind of surprise her. She has no idea. So of course I went on Walmart and I found the most amazing pieces to do this. Like, amazing doesn't even cut it, and they were all affordable. You're gonna die when you see the price. So I'm so grateful because Walmart did sponsor today's video. You guys know I love working with them. I love finding like amazing home decor, just home pieces that I need in general. Like I'm telling you, the bed that I got from Meadow, oh my gosh, it's the freaking cutest thing. The price, I hope when I post this, it still has that rollback price because it's almost like half off. We're gonna do new wallpaper, just a few things that are going to really transform her room and make it look like a big girl room, but also still look really like chic and vibrant, kind of like vacation vibes, like something fun and inviting for a kid, but also still looks like a kid's room, if that makes sense. So of course, I will link everything down below. And I'm telling you, these prices are unreal. And yeah, let's go tell her what we're doing. I want to include her in the process just because I think she'll be a lot more excited if we let her in on it, as opposed to doing like a big reveal. Kind of have to do it all together. So I thought it'd be fun to do everything as a family. We're gonna go start on her bedroom right now. And then I'm gonna share, let me go grab them. I got a few other things also to kind of just spruce up my home and make it more like chic, coastal, vacation-y vibes. Once again, everything on Walmart, of course. Let me show you one of the other new things I got, this dinnerware set. It is just so pretty, just like new and fresh, especially for summer. That's what it looks like. Let me take one of them out so you guys can see it. The 12-piece set. So pretty. Like, okay, look how pretty that is. I love that. I love the colors. I feel like it's even prettier in person than like what the camera's picking up. So I'm excited to put these out on our table. And then you guys know, if you've been watching my videos, I love the beautiful brand at Walmart. It's by Drew Barrymore. It's just a really nice, clean looking blender that I got. So this one is like just a personal blender. I have a huge one. It's so big and bulky and I make smoothies and stuff on there all the time, but I wanted something like quick that I can make like a protein coffee in the morning, or if Meadow just wanted a smoothie really quickly, I can just whip something up. So I've been wanting a quick, cute one. So I saw this one online and I had to have it. I have the air fryer by her. I have my toaster by Beautiful. So of course, all on Walmart. I'll link this all below. Super affordable. And okay, the last thing that I got for my house, so this isn't for Meadow's room, are these new pillowcases. And I already put one on. I'm obsessed. It's actually like so much nicer than I thought they would be because they were so affordable, and they're double-sided. So this is one side, and I believe they're 20 by 20, and then this is the other side, and then it has a zipper, and it's just like this nice, like thicker linen material. Here I put a pillow in here already, and these are just gonna go either, I think, on our chairs right here because they're a little bare. Love these, of course. I will link them below. Okay, Meadow, do you wanna know what we're doing today? We're gonna give you a big girl bedroom.
How big?
A big girl bedroom.
How big?
Big.
How?
Remember you've been asking for a bigger bed? You said you don't fit in your crib anymore?
I just go on the way. I stood back all the time.
You scoot back and then your feet barely fit, remember?
Yeah, my feet barely fit.
So what are we gonna do?
I mean...
Okay, here is Meadow's bedroom right now. It is a little messy, but I want to show you guys. This is what it looks like 5 years later, because the last time you guys saw her room was when I did like her nursery before she was born. And it's still essentially a nursery, but this was her crib. Obviously we took off the side, and she's been asking for a new bed, and she really is getting super tall. I'm like almost hitting the end. So I'm like, it's time. And then the swing, I think we're gonna bring down so that we can push her bed to, sorry, I'm out of breath from running up and down the stairs. We're gonna put her bed I think, push it up against kind of the window so that there's more space over here since the bed is bigger than her crib.
So now you're gonna give me a new bed?
Are you excited to get a new bed? I knew you'd be excited.
I'll help you with that ability. Now we're gonna have no bunnies right here?
Yeah, no bunnies right there. We're gonna do something else. We're gonna put your new bed over here.
Yay!
Oh, where's the
I'm
ladder?
getting a new bed!
She's getting a new bed.
Yeah! You're getting a big girl bed!
Look at her, look at her.
Woohoo! Let's go! Let's go! Do the big girl bed. Do the big girl bed.
Daddy!
Yeah.
I'm gonna have no bunnies on the wall. I'm so excited.
You're so excited.
I'm getting a new bed, Rocky. My mama!
Oh!
Whoa! Whoa!
This is decor for the very end when everything is all
Yay!
done.
Yay! Yay! Stars! Yay! Stars! Whoa! Poppers! Yay! Poppers! I don't know if it was poppers, but there is. Woo!
Okay.
Poppers!
Found the wallpaper. Has little twigs all over. It just looks clean and different from her like super floral wallpaper that was just up, which I still liked. You just kind of get over it after a few years, so we're going with this one. And it's also like one of those peel and stick, always removable, safe for walls. You guys saw how easy that was to take down the other wallpaper. Literally took 5 minutes.
I need your assistance. Yes!
I'll pull it!
Pull it, baby, pull it! Pull it, baby girl!
Pull it really
Pull it, baby girl!
Oh, do I have to pull it really well?
Okay, pull it, baby girl!
Whoa.
Okay, update on the wallpaper. It's all done. It looks so cute. I love the way it turned out. That took us like 3 hours. And we've done wallpaper a few times before, so I feel like we kind of have the hang of it. I love it. It just looks so clean, modern, updated, as opposed to like the crazy florals before. So yeah, now we're gonna bring up her new bed. Okay, I'm sweaty and gross, but I want to show you guys that the comforter that I went with. It is the Mainstays reversible comforter. So it's pink and then teal on one side. It's actually similar to the one she has now. As much as I would love like a more sophisticated, older type of comforter, I know that this is what she loves. She loves pink. She loves like pretty stuff. So I wanted to get her a comforter that she would obviously love. Super cute. It's not too much of like an obnoxious pink. It's like the perfect little girl pink. And I do like that it's reversible. So if we wanted to do kind of like this teal color, we can switch it. Weston is bringing up all the pieces for the bed because we're gonna start building. I'm guesstimating that it's gonna take us 3 to 4 hours. So we'll see. Hopefully we're able to finish it tonight, even after she goes to sleep. And then in the morning when she wakes up, she'll see her new room. Okay,
so hard with one person.
It's almost 9 p.m. We got the majority of it done. We still need to do the roof, which looks really easy, just a little time consuming. So we're gonna call it a night. But then tomorrow we'll finish the roof. Got her little comforter in here. I think she's gonna be excited to see it though. Do you love it?
Where are the pink pillows?
We need to get you a pink pillow. I
You're
need
right.
to get her face. She's like this. What was I thinking recording like this?
Do you like it?
Sunshine.
All right. That's how you walk in and out if you want. Or you can talk to people. The stars.
See all the lights where they are? Right here. That's where you have to put them.
Drop.
Turn off the light. Hit the light so you can see them. Look!
Oh!
Wow! Oh, there they are.
There you go.
That looks so cute.
I can sleep. I
That
can
looks
sleep.
really cute.
Don't lie to me now. I get to leave.
Hi, knock knock. Hello.
Hi.
Hi, can I come into your bed?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Whoa, I love it. I love it in here.
It's cute.
I love you, Mommy.
I love
Oh,
you too, my
somebody's
baby.
happy.
Oh.
Happy, happy girl.
Time to say goodbye to her bunnies that were in the nursery before. It's so sad that she's like growing up and now she like likes mermaids and princesses and stuff. So I am gonna add just this little mermaid print. I actually got it printed at Walmart, so super easy. I'm just gonna replace this in the frame that we already had.
A-D-O-W Meadow.
M-E-A-D-O-W Meadow. Look how cute. Last thing for the space right here and to kind of finish and tie up her room is just a little organizer. It's a 2-cube organizer. It's the Better Homes one. What really caught my eye with this was the color of it. I've had other like cube organizers, but I hadn't seen this color before. It's supposed to be kind of like those wood tones. So it looks like it should be perfect. And that way we can keep some of our stuff organized, just have a little more storage space. So this is so nice. Oh my gosh. Yeah, look at this tone. It's so pretty.
Hi.
The basket that we already had. You guys ready for the reveal? Okay, I'm so happy with the way it turned out, and Meadow's obviously already been sleeping in here for a bit. She hasn't seen it fully complete with this and this. But she's been obsessed. Like, she called her grandma, my sisters, like she's called everyone to show them her new bed. Obviously the bed is like a showstopper, cutest freaking thing of life. I'm obsessed with it. I still can't believe the price on it. We added like the little flowers. It's so cute. Everything about it's just adorable. The lights are adorable. Those are also super affordable. And I like that they're on a timer, so it's perfect. It's actually been like her nightlight at night. And then obviously the little print I added, I think it looks girly and cute. And then the perfect little storage cube, perfect size, great quality. Just works out perfectly in this space. So super simple. Oh, and then of course the wallpaper, you guys saw all that too. So cute, I love how simple it is. And it just kind of brightens up the room too. And then everything else stayed the same. Like, we already had this dresser. I do actually want to get rid of the rocking chair because we don't ever use that. So I'll be putting something else in that corner. But aside from that, everything else stay the same. Everything new is over here and it looks so precious. I'm obsessed with it. So yeah, I will link everything below. It's all from Walmart, like I mentioned. So yeah, thank you again to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. So happy and so grateful. Yeah, you guys need to get these things. They're precious.